In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to clear the Temu cache on an Android phone. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that the app can rebuild, and it can help when Temu feels slow or a page is not loading correctly. It does not uninstall the app. Start from your home screen, swipe up to open the app screen, find the orange Temu icon, and tap it once. Wait for the Temu homepage and its product grid to finish loading. Now return to the home screen and swipe up again to open the app screen. Find Temu, then press and hold the Temu icon until its shortcut menu appears. At the top right corner of that menu, tap the small circle eye button called App Info. Android will open the App Info page specifically for Temu, so you know you are changing the correct app. On the Temu App Info page, swipe upward until you reach the Usage section. You will see rows including mobile data, battery, storage, and memory. Tap the row labeled Storage. The storage page separates the space used by the app itself, its data, its temporary cache, and the total. Look at the number beside cache before you clear it. At the bottom right corner, tap Clear Cache. Watch the cache line change from its previous amount to 0 bytes, while the total becomes smaller. That visible 0 confirms the temporary Temu files were removed. Go back once and open storage again. It may still show 0, or Temu may already have created a small new amount. Both are normal after the clear. Do not tap Clear Data on the left, because that is a different action and is not needed here. Now go back to the app screen and open Temu normally. The Temu homepage and product grid still load, which proves that clearing the cache did not uninstall the app or erase its main data. Scroll the page for a moment, and you can continue browsing as usual. Temu may begin creating new temporary files while you use it, so the cache can grow again later. That is normal, and you can repeat this process whenever necessary. Here is the complete route one more time. Return to the app screen, press and hold the Temu icon, and tap App Info. Swipe to the Usage section, tap Storage, and use Clear Cache when a cache amount is shown. If the cache line already says 0 bytes, the cache is already clean, and there is nothing else to press. You can repeat these same steps later whenever temporary files build up again. That is how to clear the cache for Temu on Android. If this guide helped, tap like and subscribe for more clear Android tutorials.